everyone, it's Mona here at Craft Klatch, and today is Friday. That means it's another Coaster Friday. Today we are going to do a wedding coaster. For those of you who have been following my channel for a while, you know that I cannot pass up a good confetti. So that is what we're doing today. I found some cute wedding confetti, and we're going to make a coaster. If you guys have watched my channel for a while, you know I'm a sucker for good confetti. And I found this adorable confetti at the party store for a wedding. It's got the hearts, 2 different colored hearts, some dots in there, and then these wedding rings, these engagement rings. I have some resin mixed, and I'm going to pour some of the confetti into it. I'll take my stir stick and mix it all in, and then I will pour this confetti in here. I'll move it around. And once you get enough in there and you move it around as you need, go ahead and take your lighter, pop the bubbles, and then just let it sit a minimum of 12 hours. Here is the wedding confetti coaster. It has cures. Pop that right out of there, and look how nice and sparkly it is. These confetti coasters are some of my favorite ones because they're so simple, but they just look so nice when they're finished. And you kind of have to look at it to see the shapes, and then you can kind of really appreciate it, and it adds some sparkle to your decor. They're very glam. So I hope you like it. Hope you give it a try. If you have a wedding coming up, this is a nice little gift to give the bride and groom, or just make it for your anniversary. I hope you guys like the wedding confetti coaster. It was a really cute confetti, and I hope you like it. I will definitely see you next time. Remember, life is too short not to shimmer, so grab your glue gun and your glitter. Stay safe. Bye, guys.